You know what? I'm just gonna say to Buddy Castro, ha? Buddy Castro, I was treating you as a friend, in CDIFI. If you're watching this in my blog, you have to move on about CDIFI. You know that, Buddy Castro. Oh, me, I learned how to move on in CDIFI way back 2000, I think. What is that year before? 2000, I guess, because recently we discussed about in the topic, Buddy Castro, you have to stop mentioning about Israel. If you change in your Bible in Matthew 34, you change Palestine, not Israel. Oh, I already told to the Miss Asia Pacific International, Attorney Eva Patilog, she banned Israel in Miss Asia Pacific International. I already told to Astrid Schuck, the cousin of Lorraine Schuck, in Carousel production of Miss Earth 2024. They already banned Israel in the beauty pageant. Buddy Castro, I say to you, you have to move on about CDIFI and the Israeli government and the Zionist imperialist. For me, who were pro-Israel there, I remember that. Here my suggestion, there's teacher Evelyn Caja, Best Pills, Arnel G. Castillo, Lance Salvacion, even um, Gina Sejo, including Gina Sejo, there's Gina Sejo, there's Benjamin Netanyahu, there's Ursula von Leyen, and there's teacher May Tiburcio. They are all idiots. They are pro-Israel. You know, Buddy Castro, why can't you just sympathize for Palestine and pray for Palestine? Look at Jens Manaid. He prayed for Palestine. Look at John Mendoza. Jens Manaid and John Mendoza. You remember John Mendoza? He support for Palestine. If you see Kuya Julio, he was right there. Buddy Castro, I am saying to you, you have to move on about CDIFI and the pro-Israel Zionist of government of Israel. You have to move on, Buddy Castro. Don't trust the Israeli embassy. Don't trust the CDIFI. Think in your brain, Buddy Castro. For me, Buddy Castro, if you're watching this in my video, I'm not accusing you anyway. Stop mentioning about Israel. Buddy Castro, move on about Israel. Move on about CDIFI and show the sympathize for the Palestinian people. Let us show. Look at me. I move on with those Zionist idiots. Best Pills, Arnel G. Castillo, Gina Sejo, Lance Salvacion, even Benjamin Netanyahu, Ursula von Leyen, Teacher Evelyn Caja, even Teacher May Tiburcio. I already move on from them. I already move on from my arch enemies. I treated my enemies. I move on. Buddy Castro, you learn how to move on. Don't you get it, Buddy Castro? Me, as I am saying, look at Felix Sabines. Look at Sam Eranjo. They support for Palestine. Look at Jens Manaid. Look at John Mendoza. They support for Palestine. Look at Terra Francisco. Look at my Russian friends, who support for Palestine. Look at my Palestinian friends, my Malaysian friends, my Indonesian friends, my Lebanese friends, my Iranian friends in TikTok Live. They show to support Palestine. Even they show support. Even my relative, Kuya Jojo Macalintal, Ate Ellen Cerverio had support for Palestine. Buddy Castro, you have to show your support for Palestine. You have to quit about your friends. You have to quit about Wawel Romero. You have to quit about Charmaine Aloyan. Now you stick with the Apple Alday. She support for Palestine. Kathleen Canete. Even Kathleen Canete had show to support for Palestine. Diana Esguerra. Even Ralph Rana. He support for Palestine. Jared Dino. You have to support for Palestine. And Buddy Castro, for me, don't support Benjamin Netanyahu. Don't support Joe Biden. You have to support for Ali Khamenei. You have to support for Vladimir Putin. And you have to support for Donald Trump and Rodrigo Duterte. I am saying to you, Buddy Castro. And you have to support to Xi Jinping. You have to support for Bashar al-Assad, and you have to support Hugo Chavez, Nicolas Maduro, Daniel Ortega. You have to support Tayyip Erdogan. I'm saying to you, Buddy Castro, be a tyrant, be a strong, be like Robin Padilla. Do not trust that Zionist CDIFI and Israel. This is why I'm saying to you, Buddy Castro,